Action. Hi, I'm Tej. I used to be a consultant at McKinsey, and I found that every commercial diligence started the same way. You've just kicked off a project, you need to get smart on the business fast, and you want to come into the first investor discussion with a clear set of day one hypotheses. But the reality is that first pass is always a grind. You're jumping between a sim, market research, internal docs, and maybe a couple of early expert calls. And then you're trying to stitch together an initial view while the clock is already ticking. With Model ML, you can take that messy, manual, getting up to speed phase and turn it into something structured you can actually build on. You upload the sim and any other materials you have, research, expert notes, internal materials. Then you run a day one workflow that you've actually built around how your team actually works. Your firm's methodology, the sections you care about, and the exact format you want at the end. Once it's running, it happens in the background. You're not sitting there watching it spin. You can keep working while the workflow does the heavy lifting. A few minutes later, you get the initial deck delivered directly to your inbox, exactly in your company's format. In this example, you get a clear first pass on the business overview, market dynamics, competitive positioning, and an initial set of growth levers. The best part for me is that it's not a black box. Every point in the deck links directly back to its source in the grid, whether that's company websites, databases like CapIQ and PitchBook, or even directly within public filings. So if something feels off, or you want to sanity check an assumption, you can jump straight to where it came from. And because everything is structured in the grid, you can filter, sort, and pull out exactly what you need. If you want to export pieces into Word, Excel, or PDF, it's easy. Instead of spending days assembling an initial view, you can spend that time doing the part that actually matters, pressure testing the hypotheses, finding the edge cases, and shaping a stronger answer for the client. That's Model ML at work.